Hello, friends and fellow traders. Welcome back to your own channel, Red Lotus Capital. Today, we will deep dive into another forex pair which I have just entered few hours ago, and it's GBPUSD pair. So, let's explore the potential buying opportunity. Let me break it down for you. As you can see from the chart displayed, that there is some intriguing factor suggesting that GBP USD might be gearing up for a bullish move. Remember, always do your own research before making a decision. Now let's take a closer look. So as let me turn off all the charts here, all the indicators, and let me scale it up. Yeah, let me hide the Fibonacci for some time. Okay, so let me make it to 1 hour chart and then I'll break it down from there. So in 1 hour chart, we can see like we are forming higher highs and higher lows. So yeah, the market was downtrend, then it was moving flat, and then we broke the recent high. We are testing again. Okay. Now let's look at the Ichimoku trend, which I usually go for. Okay, so let me zoom out Ichimoku trend for you. So you can see here like we are having conversion line and baseline crossover somewhere here, and it's a golden crossover. Okay, and now conversion line is our baseline, which is suggesting a bullish turn of event. Okay, so remember we have a higher high, higher lows on lower time scale, and on higher time scale, on a daily time scale, Ichimoku is suggesting that market is turning bullish here. So what happened here, if you look, so we our price has gone up, it came down, it retested conversion line, and this is where my trade setup actually lies. Okay, price broke out, came back, retested, but as you know, I always go for at least two conversion here. Like, so let's look at Fibonacci levels. Okay, let me draw from here all the way to the top, and you can see here from the Fibonacci that it has almost touched 50% of the level, where both the conversion line and baseline still remains. Okay, that is around the 50% level. It came back to the 50% level. Okay, and that's where, like, when it started going back up, okay, that's where I bought the market, and my stop loss is just below the 61.8% level, if you can see here. Okay, this is the trace I'm highly bullish into, and if you can see, the RSI is above 50 range, which is good, like which says that momentum is in bull side. You can say this Senko span has crossed over and it's above the price, so it also suggests, you know, there's a chance it may go bullish. Now this is our second, this 50% retracement, this is our second confluence. Okay, let's look at MACDs and let's look at you know, other lines. So MACD is pretty much like bullish, but one factor which had me worried was this thing, like, you know, the 50-day SMA EMA. I think this is SMA, 100-day SMA and 200-day SMA. It has kind of reacted before from the 200-day SMA. That is kind of a bit worrying part. Okay, but I'm still like, see, if I still want to take the trade over here, because here we have also broken, like, you know, if you zoom this out, we have also kind of broken out from the trend line, which is again a bullish thing. Let me zoom out for you. Let me draw a trend line here. So you can see there was a trend going 2 points, 3 points, 4 points. See, trend touched again, almost close to touching, touched again, and now we have a clean breakout. So if a trend breakout is there, so we can expect that price will actually like move away from the trend line, we can assume that this is a breakout, and we can also say like here the one of the breakout happened on the daily candlestick. So I'm quite bullish about chances of this going up. Okay. uh let's say if it touches the stop loss, I think I would rather take one more trade over here. Okay, which is actually a 61.8% level, not bad. So my another position would be like here. Yeah, and I'll be somewhat close to this candle, like somewhat here. It will my stop loss, you know. And yes, this is the setup I'll go for if my stop loss is touching. But let's say unfortunately if this also get stopped out, then I won't enter into this pair. Okay. Then we don't know exactly what's going to happen. So we'll wait for a good signal. Okay. So anyway, guys, always remember, like before wrapping up, while technical indicators suggest a potential buying opportunity, it's always critical to consider other economic context and other market factors. If you decide to jump in into this trade, remember to set up the stop loss and take profit level. And this is not a financial advice from my side. This is just my analysis, okay, which I'm sharing with you guys. Anyway, guys, thank you for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share for more insightful content. Stay safe and happy trading. Peace.